Hey guys, welcome back to the Tune-Up. 2 Corinthians 2:11 says, "We are not unaware of his schemes. Only fools who want to be defeated fail to learn what they're in for." Men will go to great lengths to predict movements of the competition in business, politics, or even sports. Think Patton reading Rommel's books on tank warfare. Think Patriots coach Bill Belichick filming signals of opposing teams' defensive coordinators. Think insider on trading on Wall Street. Think CIA, Interpol, and Mossad. All of these endeavor simply to predict the opposition's next move. God's men learn to discern Satan in three ways. First, we detect him by his core character traits. He leaves his fingerprints. Seeing those characteristics manifested tips us off. And by familiarizing ourselves with who he is, we can learn to smell the rat. This raises our spiritual perceptions by intuition and interference. Second, it's by understanding the instruments of evil that he uses to manipulate and destroy men from within and without. We learn about his networks of power, his connections and associations with cultures and men. He needs as his base of operations a world system in league with your dark impulses. We gain an upper hand on the underworld by learning how the world, the flesh, and the devil together create a trifecta of trouble and powerful axis of evil. The third is by observation and study. This is the warfare through hard intelligence and seeing repeated patterns. We study the film of his interactions with men. We dissect his angles of attack. This is what it means when the Bible says God's man is not ignorant of his schemes. Hopefully this gives you something to think about as you finish out the week. And until next time, may God bless.